In this video I'm gonna try to help you fix the issue with black screen during calls on iPhone 16e. So let's get right into it. Let's jump to the settings. There are a couple of options that may cause this issue, which you might not even suspect. So if you go to display and brightness, you can try to disable raise to wake and then check if possible if that issue still appears. Sometimes simply disabling that option fixes that issue. If not, then we can proceed to the next thing, and that is accessibility. In accessibility settings, we want to go to motion, and we want to make sure that reduce motion is disabled. It is disabled by default, but if you have this option, if you had this option enabled before, then you could just go back here, turn it off, and once again check if that helped. Now, if that didn't help, then we can go back to the settings, and this time we're gonna go to General and scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, and over here select Reset, and we want to reset all settings. Of course, this will remove every pretty much change that you made in the settings, so you will need to adjust the settings to your needs again. But perhaps some other settings cause this issue, some other changes that you made can cause this issue, so you want to reset it in order to make sure that everything is back to default, and since it is in default, everything should work again. And if that doesn't help, the issue that can cause or the reason why this may happen might be due to the screen protector. So if you have applied a screen protector, there might be some dirt or debris between the screen and the screen protector, and this can cause that issue. So what you want to do is remove the screen protector and clean the screen as well with appropriate tools. And then without the screen protector, try to check if that issue still persists, if it's still there. If the issue is gone, then of course the reason why it was causing that issue, why it appeared, was the screen protector that could have been applied incorrectly, or due to the dirt or anything else that was between the screen protector and screen, like I said. And since that, if that helps, then of course try to apply the new screen protector and check if the issue appears again. If, however, the removal of screen protector didn't help at all, the next thing that you can do is force restart the phone. You may have restarted the phone by yourself, but we're gonna try force restart. And in order to do the force restart, what you need to do is press the volume up button, then volume down button, and then press and hold the side button. So let's get right into it. Press volume up, volume down, and then press and hold the power button or the side button. And we need to hold it for a couple of seconds. The screen should turn itself back off after a few seconds. There we go. But keep holding until you see the Apple logo. And now we can release the side button. And let's wait for the device to turn on. Once it is on, once again, check if that issue is still there. If that didn't help, one last thing that you can do is perform the factory reset of your iPhone. Of course, unfortunately, you will get rid of everything, you will erase everything, but in order to do so, we need to go to General in the settings, and then scroll down once again to Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then at the bottom we have Erase All Content and Settings. Now this is not really convenient, I know, but sometimes we have to do this in order to fix this issue. However, if you have restarted your phone, if you have erased every data that you had on the phone, you set it up again, and the issue is still there, the last thing that you can do is seek professional help. Try to contact Apple support or go to the Apple store if you have that option, in order to let them do the hardware check, because there might be some fault of some sensors on the screen that can cause that issue, and there's nothing really that you can do by yourself to fix that at this point. So the professional help is recommended if those steps didn't help at all. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!